Hello everyone, my name is Jay. I joined BITS in 2015 and I joined in the computer science stream there. After my second year, I did my first internship there. It was like a 2 months and it was in a small startup. After that, in my third year, I did my second internship again in software development at Samsung, where I received my PPO. After that, I did again a 6 month internship at Flipkart. After that, I joined Samsung and Samsung again as a software developer, and that was in 2019 when I graduated from college. And after Samsung, then I worked at Cred in the product team, and now I'm currently working at Cars24 as an APM. The resources that are available, they are not really structured. You need someone who can guide you with that resources, at least in the beginning when you read it for the first time, right? When you don't know anything about the field, it is really difficult to sort of filter out, the good and the bad and things like that. So at least when you are in the beginning, the structure helps. On different topics, we had assignments, so things like design metrics and design metrics strategy and a couple of things like that. And I think so about 8 to 10 different topics. We had assignments on that, and the structure was that the assignment was given to us and we used to solve it. And once the assignment was done, we used to go back to our mentor, and the mentor will actually give us the feedback on how we could have improved. And once that is done, you start giving the P2P interview. So like there are more folks like you who have joined Appraise, so you start taking their interviews and they start taking your interviews. So that was actually super helpful, because that is when I got to know that like giving a lot of interviews, a lot of the things, a lot of your issues, they sort of get ironed out, right? So that was super helpful for me. And the learning journey wise, I got to know I got to know in the starting, like let's say when you are beginning a product journey, what are all the things to consider. Like for example, I didn't know about maybe things like metrics, or maybe like what maybe things like activation, retention, and all those things before I had started, right? So giving initial impression of what are all the things that are going to be important to you, that was the main I think so that was super helpful for me in the learning journey. And as far as the interview prep is concerned, even with both P2P as well as with the people that Appraise, that was also super helpful. At Cred was actually pretty awesome, because it was my sort of first experience with like a high growth startup. Before that I was at Samsung, but like the pace at Cred was like super, like way more than as compared to Samsung. And even like I really like the culture and the people that were in my team at Cred, right? And as it was my first company where I also got to work in product management, right? I got to know a lot of things from a lot of people, and I enjoyed working with them a lot. So my experience overall was like it was super awesome. Like most of the people that I worked with at Cred, right, they were really like happy with the way the culture was and the people that they were working with and things like that, and even the pace of the organization. So I think so that is, I think so, a very big thing which I have not seen at many other companies. There are some other companies also, but like what I have seen distinguish Cred is that the employees who are there, they are really proud about their culture and the people that they work with. And things like what I actually liked about Cred is like the hierarchy. There is no like any hierarchy. It's a very horizontal organization that way, so that helps a lot. And culture wise, especially for PMing, right, it is a very metric driven organization. At Cred, like my manager and mentor, they used to give me a lot of feedback about things that I was not doing wrong, and things where I could improve upon, right? And these are not like like basic things. Sometimes like maybe the dog that you have written, this is not up to the mark, you could have improved it, and you could have improved it by this way. Or let's say there is a lot of part of like being a product manager, a lot of part is actually project management. Once let's say the features have been decided, making sure that they are actually shipped right. So like getting feedback on that, on how could I have improved that, right? And also like thinking in terms of metrics, and putting yourselves in user shoes, Also, I did a lot of like unique things which I had not done before. Like for example, I did a lot of customer calls and things like that. So that way it did help cement the foundation for my PM journey. Yeah.